Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue after the Android update in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, check the apps that are draining battery. So to do this, open settings and then scroll down and click on battery. Now here scroll down and click on this view details option, and here scroll down and it will show you the apps that are draining your battery. So from here delete the apps that are draining more battery, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on device care and then click on memory. Now in memory click on RAM plus, and from here turn on the RAM plus. So select 6 GB or 8 GB and then click on this restart option here to restart your mobile, and after restarting it will activate the RAM plus. So after doing this it will fix your problem, but if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on factory data reset and then scroll down and here click on this reset option again to reset your mobile, and after clicking on this reset option here it will delete everything from your mobile. So after doing this your problem will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.